Trying to get this in focus. There we go.
SC 170 Lancaster. There's a lot of water there. But due to the weather, you can advise the next caller that. And I'll be going to $100.
There's a lot of water. Oh,
Log off your radio. Radio, you got it open, Mike.
Alright, see if we're remedying that situation now.
SC 156 coming.
SC-156.
You advise our signal department, Wurlitzer and Erie, and the latest on smash recently. Fire control.